Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a game changer in technical trading. TRN Swings is a must-have for traders looking to master the art of market swings. It's an innovative technical analysis tool designed to highlight crucial market swings in real time and without repainting. In addition to our own swings, you have the flexibility to choose between various swing styles, including ticks, percent, or even the famous scan swings. You can also choose to display different swing values like length, duration, or cumulative delta to maximize your accuracy. Another unique feature of TRN Swings is its integrated Divergence Detector, capable of analyzing up to 12 oscillators and showcasing bullish and bearish divergences with eye-catching color highlights. In trading, swings refer to the natural rhythm of price movements, higher highs and higher lows in uptrends and the opposite in downtrends. TRN Swings captures these swings, providing a visual map of market turning points. This understanding is crucial to understand the market's overall structure and the direction of trends. It also assists in recognizing potential support and resistance levels and in spotting common chart patterns, enhancing your market analysis. TRN Swings shines as a guide for swing trades. Whether you're eyeing entry points near swing lows in uptrends or considering shorts near swing highs in downtrends, TRN Swings is your strategic ally. A standout feature of TRN Swings is its Divergence Detector. It compares asset prices against indicators like RSI or MACD, marking regular and hidden divergences with vibrant lines. Bullish divergences in blue, bearish in red. Setting it up is a breeze. Just head to Indicator Settings and choose your preferred divergence indicator. Additionally, you can handpick your custom indicator and TRN Swings will hunt for divergences on your preferred market. Simply select External Indicator and set your preferred indicator for the external indicator high and low. In this case, we've chosen the stochastic RSI as our example. And as you can see, TRN Swings instantly identifies and plots bullish and bearish divergences on your chart. Within the robust framework of TRN Swings lie two powerful analytical features offering you a treasure trove of historical data on market swings: the swing statistic and the relation statistic. Located in the upper right corner of your chart, the swing statistic unveils the dynamics of past upswings and downswings. This statistic includes the total number of analyzed swings, the average length and duration of all past swings in points and bars, and custom-defined swing count averages so you can set a specific number of analyzed swings tailored to the volatility and trend patterns of the market you're analyzing. To leverage this, go to the indicator settings where you can adjust the number of analyzed swings to your needs. Use this statistic to fine-tune your stop-loss and take-profit levels with remarkable precision. Check their validity by aligning them with the average length of historical up and down swings. Found in the lower right corner of the chart, the relation statistic offers percentages that represent historical occurrences of specific high and low sequences. For instance, it shows the likelihood of a higher high being followed by a higher low or a lower high. This information is crucial for spotting potential market turning points and making informed decisions on trade entries and exits. With these statistics, you can validate your trading signals from TRN bars and TRN swings. For example, after identifying a bullish reversal bar following a lower low, you want to know the likelihood of a subsequent higher high to validate your take profit. In this case, we have a 27.6% chance of a higher high and a 70.9% chance of a lower high. So keep in mind that targeting the last high might not be achievable. Combine TRN Swings with the TRN bars for high probability entry signals. Look for both bullish and bearish divergences in your chosen asset and time frame. Once you spot a divergence, keep an eye out for a signal bar like this bullish continuation bar, as this forms the basis for your trading decision. Patience is key. Wait for the signal bar to fully form and confirm the setup with candle close. Once confirmed, act swiftly by setting your trade entry near the closing price of the signal bar. For a long trade, place your stop loss just below the signal bar's low. For the take profit level, target nearby resistance or consider double the height of the signal bar as potential target. Now you can add the average upswing length from the swing statistic to the price of the last downswing low for an alternative take profit. Conversely, take the average downswing length and align it with the length of the last downswing for an alternative stop loss. Now let's take a look at the relation statistic to confirm our stop loss and take profit levels. As we formed a double bottom with a last downswing, we want to know the likelihood for a subsequent higher low to validate our stop loss. In this specific example, the chance of a higher low stands at 50%. While this percentage could be higher, it still serves as indication that your stop loss is well placed. Additionally, consider the probability for a higher high as further confirmation for your take profit. With a probability of 42.1%, it appears more likely that we'll witness a lower high, as the odds are 50%. Although the difference isn't very high, it's a first indication that it's better to be cautious when setting a target above the last high. Let's take a look at a short trade scenario with this bearish reversal bar confirmed right after a bearish divergence. Position your stop loss above the signal bar's high, and for take profit, target a support level or consider double the signal bar's height. Revisit the swing statistic to realign the average downswing length as an alternative take profit and the average upswing length as an alternative stop loss. In this scenario, the last upswing exceeded the average upswing length, which was only 908 points. This initial sign suggests that your stop loss may be secure. To further confirm your stop loss, examine the relation statistic for a lower high after we formed a higher high with the last upswing. In this setup, the probability for a lower high and a higher high is nearly equal, providing no clear indication for either. Additionally, verify your take profit with the probability for a lower low after a higher high. As you can see, the probability for a higher low is significantly higher at 78.3%. This serves as another indication that selecting a take profit above the last low is a good choice. Integrate TRN swings with our chart patterns. When a bullish pattern experiences a confirmed breakout, the presence of a bullish divergence with the previous swing adds further credibility to the signal. Validate your stop loss and take profit levels with swing statistics. Align them with the average upswing length for an alternative take profit and with the average downswing length for an alternative stop loss. This time, the length of the last downswing surpasses the average downswing length. This initial sign suggests that your stop loss could be well protected. Boost your confidence in the stop loss level by diving into the relation statistic and reviewing the probability for a higher low after we formed a lower low with the last downswing. A probability of 58.3% suggests that your stop loss may not be triggered. Now shift your focus to validate your take profit. Notice that the probability for a lower high is at 60.9%, indicating that your take profit under the last high appears to be well placed. If a bearish pattern is confirmed, shift your focus to bearish divergences. Utilize the average upswing length for an alternative stop loss and the average downswing length for an alternative take profit. Confirm your stop loss using the relation statistic. As we formed a double top with the last upswing, observe the probability for a higher high. With 58.3%, a stop loss above the last high seems to be the right decision. Additionally, consider your take profit, which is positioned above the last downswing low. The probabilities for a lower low and a higher low after a double top are nearly equal, providing no clear indication for a lower low. This suggests that your take profit appears to be well placed. In summary, TRN Swings stands as the perfect ally for traders looking to leverage market swings. Combine it with your trading knowledge and other analysis tools like TRN Bars or our chart patterns for the best results. To unlock the complete suite of our trading tools, simply visit our website and become part of our free open beta program. In case our beta program has concluded when you watch this video, don't fret. You can kickstart your free trial on our website instead. You'll find all the essential links in the video description below. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more insightful content on our tools, trading strategies and more. Happy trading!